हाय हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं मैकबेथ एक्ट 2 सीन 3 के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस और गिव रीजंस क्वेश्चंस हम एक ही वीडियो में आज डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। और अगर आप लोगों ने इसके पहले के वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं तो उसको भी ज़रूर जाके देखिएगा, आपको काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल लगेगा। ओके, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1 says choose the correct option from the for the following question. Question number 1 says in this scene what does the potter suppose himself to be? Potter of Heaven Gate, Potter of Hell Gate, Potter of Duncan's Palace, none of above. So the correct answer is Potter of Hell Gate. Question number 2 is who are the numerous visitors who are condemned to suffer in hell? Options are the soul of sinners, the soul of murderers, the soul of disloyal warriors, या none of the above. The correct answer is soul of sinners. Okay, soul of sinners is the correct answer. Question number 3 पे आते हैं, who among the following is not one of the visitor who come to hell gate? Options are a farmer, an equivocator, option C a tailor, or option D a traitor. So the correct answer is option D a traitor. Okay, question number 4 पे आते हैं, who among the visitors to the gate of hell hanged himself? The equator, the tailor, C the farmer, or D none of the above. So the correct answer is the farmer hanged himself. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 5 पे आते हैं, why did the potter ask the farmer to bring plenty of handkerchief with him? Okay, with him. Okay, options are in hell people sweat a lot. Option B, there are burning fires in hell. In hell temperatures are too high. In hell people have to cross river of fire. So the correct answer is in hell people sweat a lot. This is the correct answer. Okay. Let's move to question number 6. Who among the following visitors to the hell could not admission to heaven? Could not get admission to heaven? The farmer, the equator, the trailer, or the traitor? So the correct answer is the traitor. He did not get admission to the heaven. Which of the following literary devices have been used in Potter's scene? Soliloquy, antithesis, dramatic irony, और foreshadowing. तो इनमें से कौन सा लिटरेरी डिवाइस जो है यूज किया गया है? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ड्रामेटिक आयरनी. ओके, व्हाट डज द पॉटर मीन when he tells the tailor that he would be able to roast his goose in hell? Options are heat his iron, cook the goose, warm his food, none of the above. So the correct answer is, the correct option is option number A, that is heat the iron, heat his iron. Okay, let's move further. Question number 9 is, the tumult in nature reflected through various prodigies and portent correspond to which of the following convulsions in human affairs? Options are the conquest by enemy, the defeat of the king in a battle, the spread of a fatal disease, or option D the murder of a king. So the correct answer is the murder of a king. tumult in nature किस चीज़ से यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्ट किया जा रहा है? ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 इज, हाउ डज मैकबेथ बीन कंपेयर टू द फार्मर एंड द टेलर इन दिस scene? Options are like the two he betrayed the trust of his master. Option B, like the two he lost by being over ambitious. Like the two he was too passive. Or option D, none of the above. The correct option is option number B, that is like the two he lost by being over ambitious. Okay, question number 11 पे आते हैं, what has been described in this scene as most sacrilegious? Okay, options are the destructive events in nature, option B the role of Lady Macbeth, option C the murder of King Duncan, or option D none of the above. The correct option is option number C, that is the murder of King Duncan. Let's move to question number 11. What has been described in this scene as the most sacrilegious? Question number 12 पे आते हैं. What is referred to by Macbeth as the life of the building? Okay, options are divine origin of the king, option B the soul that exists in human body, option C the iron used in constructing a building, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B, that is the soul that exists in human body. Question number 13 पे आते हैं, what does Macbeth say that he regrets doing? Okay, Options are option A, the fit of anger that made him kill the guards. Option B, inviting King Duncan to his castle. Option C, leaving the king alone in his chamber. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, that is the fit of anger that made him kill the guards. Okay. Question number 14 में आते हैं. According to Macbeth, what spurred him to seek revenge on the murderers of the king? Sorry. Options are his reaction on seeing the gory sight. Option B, his inability to prevent them from doing the act. Option C, his love for Duncan. Option D, his hatred for the murderers. Okay. So the correct answer is his love for Duncan. Question number 15 पे आते हैं. What do Malcolm and Donalbain decide to do? Options are to pretend sorrow in front of hypocrites, to show false praise on them, to punish them for their treacherous act, or to flee Scotland. Flee मतलब भाग जाना. So they chose the option number D, that is to flee Scotland. Okay. So अब हम इसके बाद डिस्कस करने वाले हैं गिव रीजन क्वेश्चंस या लॉजिकल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. तो स्टे ट्यून्ड. Let's start question number 2, that is choose the correct option for the following question. The potter says that he could no longer be the potter of the hell because he was tired of his job and he found that place was too cold to be called a hell. Okay. Question number 2 is Macbeth has been compared to the farmer, the equivocator and the tailor because they were like Macbeth, greedy and lost everything in the long run. Question number 3 is Macbeth quickly killed the 2 guards outside King Duncan's room because he wanted to cover up his cruel act of murdering King Duncan and hide his guilt. Okay. Question number 4 पे आते हैं. The scene draws an ironic parallel between actual hell and the castle of Macbeth because Macbeth's castle too became a hell with the murder of King Duncan. Okay. जल्दी से पहुंचते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 पे. The Potter's scene in Act 2 of the play is necessary because it provides comic relief after the murder of King Duncan. Okay. Question number 6 is Malcolm and Donalbain decided to flee from Scotland because they suspected treachery and fear that their lives are also in danger. So that's all in today's session, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel if you've not subscribed yet, and press the like button, share to your maximum. Thank you so much. Keep watching.